Seems good.
Hi.
Good with y'all boys, man. Hope y'all doing good. Hope y'all doing great. Welcome back to another video. You feel me? Nothing too crazy, man. As you can see by the title and thumbnail, I'm about to do a quick Sunday like reset day vlog. Nothing too crazy, bro. We about to head to the gym real quick, do a quick little workout, and I'm gonna catch y'all when we get out. We've been going crazy on the YouTube videos, bro. Like a lot of car content. I've been spamming car content lately. Y'all been rocking with it, so I'm gonna keep doing it, and we're gonna also mix in a couple vlogs. A couple new recent pickups for the drip, and yeah, more hooping videos on the way too. Y'all boys stay tuned, bro. We going up for sure. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch y'all when we get at the gym. Let me give y'all a quick pull real quick though. Got back from the gym, bro. On Sundays, I don't like to do too much. Just a quick little mile, quick little arm workout, quick leg workout, and I always end my workout with sit-ups and push-ups. Like you can never go wrong with the basics. You feel what I'm saying? Make sure y'all boys getting in the gym, especially in November. More gym time, less combos. ED. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all back when I find out what I'm about to do next. Yo, and we back. After the gym, I had ate some breakfast. A little bit of eggs, a little bit of sausage, a little bit of waffle, grits, hash browns, tight shit. You feel me? Took a little nap. Now I'm about to go thrifting. Got Junie in the whip. Can't show her face though. Seems good.
Hi.
Hi. But now we about to go thrifting downtown. And yeah, I'm gonna show y'all what we cop afterwards. But yeah though, I'm gonna bring y'all inside. Try to vlog if I can. But yeah, y'all boys stay tuned. Yeet! We just finished up at Urban. Caught some sweats. I'll show y'all the whip real quick. Yeet! Yo, hey, we back. Hey bro, let me put y'all on game real quick. If you need a mouthwash or a toothpaste, bro, go with this brand right here. Thoroughbred. It's the best one, bro. No cap. I'm probably gonna go with this one right here. But Thoroughbred. Not sponsored. Yo, it was good with y'all, man. Quick fit change. Got the raspberry on. And then we go Yeezy boots on the feet. My birdie had hit me up saying he want to go to the gun range. I might bet that. Slide to the gun range then. So I'm on the way to the gun range. I'm about to I want to get something to eat, but I'm probably gonna get something to eat after I leave the gun range. So yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all when we get inside. And yeah, y'all just keep vibing.
Or down, then click it.
Went ahead and moved the frame over here.
Yeah.
Did you burn through all your ammo? That's why
Yo, here we back, man. Came back from Target. Shit, cleaned up a little bit, played 2K. Now I'm about to go ahead, end the vlog. Let me know if y'all want another little Sunday reset day vlog. I'm probably throwing a bonus clip of me at the gun range. I did that last Sunday. I was supposed to go on the vlog, but I ended up scrapping that footage. But yo, though, y'all boys like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate all the support I'm getting on the channel. Let's keep running it up on the road to 250 and then 300 and up from there. Y'all boys stay fly. We got it.
In a much pit, I'm in my zone. I just cop it and take it home. That's a thot, bitch, I leave me alone. I ain't drop it, I got my chrome. We unlocked, it's safe and they take it. Nigga, how far you wanna take it?